Congratulations on your purchase of FlexShade Zip Motorized Shades by Draper Incorporated. This video will cover methods for installing side channels. For instructions on site preparation and mounting of the FlexShade Zip Motorized Shade headbox, please see the previous instructional videos in this series. These instructions do not apply for installations using the Zip 127 angled headbox. Please watch the entire video carefully before beginning this part of the installation process. You can download a more detailed PDF version of these instructions at draperinc.com. To begin, use a 3mm hex wrench to remove the screws from the side channels. Next, remove the side channel covers. Please note, do not remove the bottom caps from the side channels. For jamb mounting, remove the fabric retainer strips from the side channels and set them aside. Otherwise, leave them in the side channels. Drill holes in the side channels at the desired mounting points. Mounting points should be a maximum of 24 inches apart. Then, mark the wall or jamb and drill small pilot holes in the mounting surface. Before attaching the side channels to the headbox, insert side channel guide and fabric retainers into the side channels. Please note, make sure the foam blocks on the fabric retainers are undamaged. Make sure the fabric retainers go back into the side channels with the fabric guide at the top of the side channels. The angled leg should be toward the back. Insert the shade zipper on one side of the hem bar into the fabric retainer in the side channel. Insert the side channel guide into the bottom of the headbox. Next, attach the side channel to the mounting surface using appropriate fasteners. Remember, it is the installer's responsibility to use the appropriate fasteners for the mounting surface. Draper is not responsible for the use of incorrect fasteners. This is very important. Side channels must be installed parallel to each other within a tolerance of plus or minus 1/8 inch or 3 mm. To complete the installation, repeat with the opposite side channel and reattach the side channel covers. Please note, only use the provided fasteners to reattach the side channel covers. Failure to do so may result in a product failure in high wind. This concludes site installation for the FlexShade Zip Motorized Shade system. You are now ready to program the motor limits. If you need further assistance, please contact your dealer or call Draper Inc. at 765-987-7999.